Starting around the 19th of June 2023, Chiliz certainly is exchanging at 6 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.67% in kind of most recent 60-minute, which basically is genuinely critical. CHZ by and large has a sort of all-out market cap of $480,506,742 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $22,810,809 in an unobtrusive manner. This by and large makes Chiliz truly positioning at 72 in the digital money market, which especially is very critical. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Chiliz cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Chiliz truly be most certainly worth in 2023, which truly is very huge? Is Chiliz a genuinely wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which explicitly is very huge? Will CHZ cost generally outperform its untouched high in all things considered huge way? These sort of are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, exhibiting that starting around the 19th of June 2023, Chiliz especially is exchanging at 6 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.67% in most recent 60-minute. Certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chiliz value expectation 2023 as per the Chiliz estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the CHZ cost truly is supposed to cross an exceptionally normal value level of 8 cents. The normal really least value worth of Chiliz toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to basically be 8 cents in a by and large significant manner. Besides, CHZ can really arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of 9 cents in an extremely significant manner. Chiliz value figure June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Chiliz truly is supposed to truly be at around a really least of 6 cents, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost can truly arrive at a kind of limit of 7 cents with the very normal cost of 7 cents in USD. So besides, CHZ can generally arrive at a greatest value level of 9 cents in a quite huge manner. Chiliz value figure July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Chiliz truly is by and large anticipated to especially arrive at a sort of typical cost of 7 cents, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of 7 cents and a really least of 7 cents, which for the most part is very critical. Chiliz value expectation August 2023. The cost for Chiliz in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 7 cents and 8 cents in a really significant manner, while the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around 7 cents in a sort of large manner. Chiliz value expectation September 2023. Chiliz cost basically is supposed to reach between 7 cents to 8 cents in September 2023, while the extremely normal cost of CHZ for the September basically remains around 7 cents. Chiliz value forecast October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Chiliz cost generally is gauged to in a real sense arrive at an especially the most minimal cost of 7 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The CHZ cost could basically arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest cost of 8 cents with the typical expected cost around 8 cents, which by and large is very huge. Chiliz value estimate November 2023. The normal cost of Chiliz could basically go to 8 cents toward the finish of November 2023 in a by and large significant manner. CHZ could sort of exchange around and in every way that really matters. Most extreme worth of 9 cents with the by and large least expected cost of 8 cents in a quite enormous manner. Chiliz value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Chiliz cost certainly is conjectured to basically arrive at an in a real sense the least cost of 8 cents. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The CHZ cost could generally arrive at a greatest cost of 9 cents with the kind of typical expected cost around 8 cents in an essentially enormous manner. Chiliz genuinely passed value examination in the essentially beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been certainly diminished by 0.75% in its especially current worth in a huge manner. Assuming we especially look at the very current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday, you can see that the market cap certainly is likewise down, exhibiting how these generally are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, showing that starting around the 19th of June 2023, Chiliz in a real sense is exchanging at 6 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.67% in sort of most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. From especially most recent 7 days, the CHZ basically was an especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.18%. Showing how these generally are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, exhibiting that starting around the 19th of June 2023, Chiliz really is exchanging at 6 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.67% in very most recent 1 hour in a truly significant manner. Chiliz for the most part has shown areas of strength for really potential recently, and this could be very great chance to basically dive right in and contribute, in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ by and large diminished by 51.043%, disposing of an incredible by and large normal amount of 7 cents from its sort of current worth in a by and large significant manner. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a decent basically purchase, a potential open door for fast speculation, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 50.33%, and the cost basically circled from a by and large least typical cost of 13 cents to really greatest especially normal cost of 14 cents in the specific beyond 90 days, which sort of is genuinely critical. Chiliz is somewhere near 34.51%, with the kind of greatest sort of normal cost of the coin especially was around 11 cents, and the kind of least kind of normal cost of in a real sense was around 11 cents in exceptionally beyond 4 months, which generally is genuinely critical. Chiliz value estimate 2023 FAQs. What will fundamentally be Chiliz sort of worth in 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical. The CHZ cost for the most part is determined to in a real sense arrive at a by and large greatest degree of 9 cents, with for the most part least cost of 8 cents toward the finish of 2023, or so they truly thought. Does Chiliz generally have a future, or so they basically thought? As far as value, Chiliz especially has an extraordinary fundamentally potential to basically arrive at new levels, showing that Chiliz value expectation September 2023, Chiliz cost in every practical sense, is supposed to essentially reach between 7 cents to 8 cents in September 2023, while the very normal cost of CHZ for the September essentially remains around 7 cents. Chiliz value expectation October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Chiliz cost truly is figured to generally arrive at a scarcely the least cost of 7 cents in an all things considered significant way. It explicitly is conjecture that CHZ will increment in esteem, in every practical sense. Further appearance how Chiliz value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Chiliz cost basically is estimate to arrive at a sort of the most reduced cost of 8 cents in an unobtrusive manner, as per especially unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Chiliz can generally stir things up around town of the greatest cost of $3 till 2030, which most certainly shows that Chiliz value conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will in every practical sense be Chiliz especially worth in 2023 in a very enormous manner? Is Chiliz kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite huge manner? Chiliz's worth certainly is supposed to by and large keep on growing, as lack will in general for the most part support cost rise, which essentially demonstrates the way that the CHZ cost could generally arrive at a greatest cost of 8 cents, with the especially normal expected cost around 8 cents in an unpretentious manner. Kindly note, there explicitly is a gamble to any speculation, which really is very critical. Just basically put resources into what you can basically achieve prior to reaching any resolutions, and direct the kind of most extreme examination conceivable.